Hello students, today we are going to study the life cycle of a virus. What is virus? Virus is the smallest of the human infectious agent. Today we are going to study the life cycle of a human influenza type A virus. This is the virus where you can see the virus is surrounded by an envelope and we have a protein structure. This is the protein structure. The protein namely hemagglutinin and neuroaminidase. The first step of the viral life cycle is virus attachment and fusion. The virus gets attaches itself to the receptors, to the specific receptors which are present on the cell membrane, and then it tries to fuses with it, and through endocytosis it enters the cell. That is the second step. It penetrates into the cell. The next step is uncoating and release. In the uncoating step, the virus is surrounded by a protein, as I have already said. It releases the genetic material. Again, in virus, the genetic material is either RNA or DNA. It releases the genetic material. The genetic material present here in this type of virus is RNA, which undergoes reverse transcription to form a double-stranded DNA. Why reverse transcription? Because generally the transcription is DNA, conversion of a DNA to RNA. But here we are preparing the virus is getting converted from RNA to DNA, so it is reverse transcription. The DNA which is produced in the fourth step now enters the nucleus, where the already present host DNA, it integrases with the host DNA in the presence of an enzyme integrase to form a proviral DNA. Now this proviral DNA in the next step, that is the fifth step, undergoes transcription in the presence of an enzyme polymerase to form mRNA. This mRNA uses the polysomes and undergoes translation to form viral RNA and a protein coat. The next step is the assembly wherein the viral RNA gets inserted itself into the protein coat and gets ready for the budding. Now what is budding? Budding is the release of virus from the cell membrane as a new virus. Next we are going to study the drugs which act upon these steps. Now we'll look after the drugs which are used to treat virus infections. We can classify antiviral drugs in this following manner. This is fusion inhibitors, which inhibits the fusion of the virus to the host cell. Example of the drug is amantadine, rimantadine. Amantadine also inhibits the uncoating and release of the genetic material. Next is reverse transcription inhibitors. The example of the drugs are zidovudine, stavudine, diadenosine. There are many more. Next is viral replication inhibitors, which inhibits the replication of DNA polymerase. So it inhibits mainly the polymerase enzyme. Example of the drugs are idoxyuridine, acyclovir, vidarbine. Next is protease inhibitors. Now protease inhibitors, they inhibits mainly the enzymes integrase, then the enzymes which helps in the assembly of the viral RNA and the protein coat. Example of the drugs are ritonavir, nelfenavir. Here the drug which inhibits integrase enzyme is rolutegravir. Next is the budding and release. Here these are neuroaminidase inhibitors. Example of the drugs are oseltamivir, zanamivir. Now this neuroaminidase is a protein which is present on the virus. Here this is the virus. So these drugs act on the neuroaminidase. That's all for today.